Hey, to set up alarm clock on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, first of all, you'll have to swipe up and open clock application. Next, click Add on Watch. And here we can change this time. So I'm gonna pick, for example, 8 a.m. Click Next. Then you can set repeat, for example, weekly. I'm gonna do this only for Sunday. And here I can also change some other options, like I can set name for my alarm. I can change alarm sound. I can enable or disable vibration and set snooze. After I set everything, I have to click save. And now by tapping on the switcher, I can turn it on and off. And by the way, you can actually add multiple alarms on this device. So that's all right now. Please subscribe.